Ever pondered how our bodies maintain a steady temperature, regardless of the weather outside? The answer lies deep within our brains, in a peanut-sized structure known as the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus, a part of the human brain, plays a crucial role in numerous functions of the body. One of its vital roles is acting as our body's thermostat, responsible for maintaining our core body temperature. It's a fascinating piece of our biological puzzle, and it's about to get a lot more interesting. The hypothalamus receives information from nerve cells throughout the body that detect temperature change. These nerve cells, known as thermoreceptors, send signals to the hypothalamus when our internal or external environment's temperature shifts. But how does the hypothalamus respond when it receives these signals? It springs into action and initiates mechanisms to regulate our body temperature. If the body is too cold, the hypothalamus will trigger shivering, a rapid involuntary contraction of muscles to produce heat. It might also constrict the blood vessels to reduce heat loss from the surface of our skin. On the other hand, if the body is too hot, the hypothalamus will stimulate sweat glands to produce sweat, which cools the body as it evaporates. It might also dilate the blood vessels, allowing more heat to escape from the surface of our skin. This process, known as thermoregulation, is a continuous cycle. It's like a constant dance between the hypothalamus and the rest of the body, ensuring we stay at a comfortable and safe body temperature, usually around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the feedback mechanism of the hypothalamus. It's a perfect example of a negative feedback system. In a negative feedback loop, the system responds to a change by initiating mechanisms to reverse that change. Just imagine, if the body's temperature rises, the hypothalamus receives this information and triggers cooling mechanisms. As the body cools down, the hypothalamus receives this updated information and slows down the cooling mechanisms. This constant monitoring and adjusting is what keeps our body temperature in check. In essence, the hypothalamus is our body's thermostat, continuously adjusting and fine-tuning our internal temperature based on the feedback it receives from the body's thermoreceptors. It's a marvel of nature and a testament to the incredible complexity of the human body. So next time you're shivering in the cold or sweating in the heat, give a thought to your hypothalamus. It's working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your body temperature just right. It's a small part of our brain with a big job, and it performs that job with remarkable precision and efficiency.